Hello my dear student. Today we are going to learn web server. This is our second lecture on computer science class 9. Now let's start. What is a web server? A web server is a computer that provides data to other computers. The entire structure of the internet is based upon a client server model. Common use of web server is to host website. If you want to develop a website and you want to host that, then you have to purchase a web server. No, a primary job of a web server is to deliver the web page to the client. Communication between the client mode and the server node take place using HTTP. The deliver web page include image, style sheet, script in addition to the text content. We are going to learn this with the help of the example. So let's start. Here we have one web server, that is Apache web server. This is a client and PDA laptop PC. If anyone wants information, then it will open its Google search engine or any of the browser and type the information. Then information will be asked from the server. It will take information from the database and it will send back to the client where the information is required. No, server software. What is server software? A web server, commonly known as HTTP server, a computer that provides data to other computer, or application server is a program that serves a client using HTTP protocol. No application server that serves using HTTP protocol. The content is generally in the form of HTML document, image, and other web resource, but can include any type of a file. Now we are going to learn some name of the server software. First one is Apache Web Server, the HTTP web server. What is it? Apache Software Foundation developed the free and the open source web server and can be installed and made to work on almost all operating systems, including Linux, Unix, Windows, FreeBSD, Mac, OS X, and more. Almost 60% of the web server machine run the Apache web server. The second one is Jigsaw. What is a Jigsaw? Jigsaw W3C as server is introduced by World Wide Web Consortium. It is open source and free and can run on various platforms like Linux, Unix, Windows, Mac OS, FreeBSD. Jigsaw is written in Java, thus can run CGI script and PHP program. Third one is Apache Tomcat. Tomcat is free and open source web server that can run on different operating systems like Linux, Unix, Windows. It was developed to support servlet and JSP script. It can serve a standalone server. The third one is LightTPD. LightTPD is a free web server distributed with the FreeBSD operating system. This open source web server is fast, secure, and consumes much less CPU power. LightTPD can also run on Windows, Mac operating system, X, Linux, and Solaris operating system. Now we are going to learn the service provided by web server. Today, many services are being provided by the web server. Many of these services are based on cloud computing, which is popular among the research scientists and entrepreneurs. Cloud computing is distributed computing over a network. Now, various services by the web server. First one is cost efficient. Web server is the most cost efficient method to use, maintain, and upgrade. Second one is resource sharing. Web server has the capability to store unlimited information such as Google Drive, cloud computing, etc. The space where the data can be stored is shared by the other user at the same time, like hard disk, and can be shared on physical network as LAN. Third one is data sharing. With the help of web server, one can easily access the information from anywhere where there is a internet connection using Google Docs such as document, Excel sheet, drawing, PowerPoint, presentation, etc. Backup and recoveries. As all the data nowadays is stored on web server, backing it up and is restoring the same is relatively much easier than storing the same on a physical device. Hence, the entire process of backup and recovery was simpler than other traditional method of data storage. It contains the series of elements. No, we are going to learn types of server. Types of server. Mail server provide a centrally located pool of disk space for network user to store and share various documents in the form of email, since all the data is stored in a location. Application server. An application server acts as set of components accessible to the software developer through an API defined by the platform itself. File Transfer Protocol (FTP) server. FTP uses separate control and data connection between the client and the server. FTP users mainly authenticate themselves in the form of username and password but can connect anonymously if the server is configured to allow it. No database server. A database server is a computer program that provides database servers to other computer program or computer using the client server model. Domain name system, that is DNS server. A name server is a computer server that hosts a network server for providing response to queries. It maps a numeric identification or addressing component. This service is performed by the server in response to the network. This all about this topic. Next topic we will learn the website. Thank you.